even though Flexi adds more flexibility within each section inside your theme, there's always situations that you'll run into where you're just going to naturally have to write some CSS code. And we understand that and we embrace that at Flexi. So what we have done is in each layer, whether it be the section, layout, group, or block layer, you're able to enable this toggle down here, enable developer mode, and you can actually add in your own custom classes. So you can add in a custom class that goes around each one of the containers. So in this case, I have a block. So if we added a custom class, it would go on the outermost container. But we can also even adjust our utility classes within the block class. Now, if you are making a customization that will only pertain to the specific block or layout and it won't be anything global across the entire site, you can just directly write your CSS within this area over here. And I recommend this just so you don't bloat any of your other CSS, and so you can just, you know exactly, if you need to adjust it in the future, you know exactly where to find it and you can make the adjustment happen. But if you want to make a greater adjustment, what you can do is add some sort of class. So for example, this is a text, so we could do custom dash text. So then once the class is added, we could go into our app embeds over here, and then within the Flexi embed theme, what we could do is something like custom dash text, and then we could say background color blue. And sorry, I just forgot the dot here. And then there you go. Now we see the background color being blue. So again, if you have global edits that you want to make, I highly recommend you put those global edits within the CSS code in the app embed, and then apply the class directly to either the block, the group, the layout, or the overall section. And again, in the section, if we go into our enable developer features, and we can add a custom class, and by default section will show up, but you can really swap in or even add any custom class that you want. If you want to add multiple custom classes, what you could do is do section custom, and then we're then keeping our section class, but then also adding a new class on this particular section. Anyways, I will end the video here, but if you want to learn more about Flexi, I highly recommend that you subscribe to my YouTube channel or check out the documentation on Flexi.